So hello there again, and this is Dr. Nami, and I wanted to share with you a couple of results for some of my patients that I find really interesting, and I thought they might be interesting to you as well. I want to share with you today about one of my patients. His name is Soso. Soso, wonderful guy, really awesome. Actually, was invited to our practice by his wife, who had great results. Mainly because she was really concerned about him. She was really concerned because he would just have a big smell in his mouth and he never wanted to go to a dentist because he was really concerned. He was really fearful of what he was going to find and what needed to get done and the costs and just all of it. So, it was really wonderful. And I felt so delighted that his wife invited to our practice and we got a chance to connect with Soso and really understand his concerns. And as we sat down, we discovered that he was really concerned um, because he didn't know what was happening. He felt like he's been in dental chairs before. They have done the work, but he doesn't really know what happened. He doesn't know really what can do to take care of it. And so I was like, wow, let's really slow down and make sure that we really spend a lot of time educating you. So we did do that. And one of the best educational tools we use is, their own saliva testing. And so I'm going to share with you his saliva test and what we discovered. So this is Soso's saliva test right over here. And I'll just make it a little bit bigger for us to be able to see. So, and I have his after results too, which I'll go through. But starting here, so you know, everything he was saying, and his wife was saying was really accurate. He definitely had a lot of bugs, and we can see that they're all above the threshold. So he's a pretty aggressive case, right? He's a really aggressive case with lots of bacteria in his mouth. And, I shared with him, what's stopping him from really doing treatment. And, he was just like, I don't understand the logistics of this stuff. I also don't know how to make sure that I can maintain it. And so I said, let me show you a path. Let me show you a data-driven path where we start in one place and we end in one place so you can have that vote of confidence that everything is working. So we started here. We see that there's definitely high levels of bacteria. So the first thing we need to do is clean his gums, make sure that everything was super clean. He did have some decayed teeth that needed to come out, and he was just so scared to get them out. And by me showing him this information, he was really able to see that, the bacteria come from several sources. One is going to be the gums. The second is also going to be teeth. Perhaps some teeth are bumped out with lots of cavities and lots of decay where we can't stop it. And the only way we can get rid of those is by addressing the deeper concerns. And we did, which was really awesome. So, it took us a couple months to finish up our treatment, but it was really great to see these are the results. And this is before he had any teeth that were, that needed extractions come out or anything like that. We got a 67% decrease of bacteria. This is completely gone. Just a little bit of a TF. It's completely gone, halved, completely gone, halved, lower below the threshold. So really happy to see this change in his microbiome. And when we actually say 67%, we actually reduce the bacterial content by 67 billion, which is with a B with a billion, because when we're looking at these, we're looking at the third power, fourth power, fifth power, sixth power. So it's really awesome to be able to see that. And here he is, he's talking about, how he's just been so happy, the drastic changes that he's had, and they're coming and he's feeling amazing. And the best part about this is that he's motivated to stay healthy. He is motivated to stay on top of his oral health. And most importantly, especially because he's a new father, he also wants to make sure he's not going to go ahead and pass these on to his children. And by kissing, and also give any bacteria to his wife. So it's really awesome that we were able to educate him, empower him, give him some great results, and really support him and continue to support him on his journey. So thank you for letting me share that and some beautiful befores and afters. And let us know if we can do anything to help you.